Uviki, Vuyokas's former friend, posted on Instagram a very important message that I felt like I want to share with you guys. She spoke about having to identify your needs and your wants. That people just don't prioritize what's important when it comes to their finances, that a lot of people only focuses on their wants more than their needs. They just live in J because the money is there. And then that's when you will think that your friends or your peers are doing better than you because of they were able to identify their needs first more than their wants. And that's why it seems like their life seems good. And she was like, identify your needs and your wants. What I took from this conversation is that focus more on the needs, and the wants will come there, will come there and there and there and there and there. But as long as you have your needs in place, you are good to go. No one can tell you anything. No one can tell you that they're doing anything for you, especially if you are a woman. No one will remind you that they're helping you do this and this because of you were careless financially. And this goes to all genders, everybody else. Okay, guys, so here's the full video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.
Just a quick one, unyaka usaqala. Please identify your needs and wants. Don't mix the two and teach yourself discipline. In most yethu, we are not disciplined when it comes to finances. We are not disciplined when it comes to needs and wants. Senza nje, siyaphila nje. And in most cases, we focus on the wants and not the needs, izinto that we should be prioritizing. Yoba ngathi abanye abantwana bayaphumelela benza kangcono but bafumana kwaleyo ifumanayo okanye less than what you have. But because bona they know how to prioritize necessities zabo, ingathi benza ngcono. Phuma kumkhuba wefuna to fit in or une pressure or you want to do this because abantu benza kanje kodwa ekugqibeleni uzobuyela endlini ingxaki zakho zingakalungi. Do not mix your needs and priorities. Akhonto imandi nan ubexhibili lapha esiqweni xa wenze needs zakho ubone xa uthe you going to do goals zakho okanye izinto ezibalulekileyo uzenze qala ulala kamnandi. You can always have wants zizofika mva, but your priorities, baby girl, don't compromise when it comes to that. Ngamane kuthiwa usemva okanye yasheka ngcono usheke then ba priorities zakho zilekhishe. And if you do not focus on your priorities, sithando sami yoba ngathi uxhensa endaweni enye ingathi you're not progressing. That is because you mix everything. Wenza yonke into yenzayo xa ngena isalary yakho ufocuse kwezinto bemawufocus kuzo. Ingxaki ifika mva mayime emva elistini, and the day you get yourself into routine, your discipline, your priorities, uzobona, you're going to see progress in your life. But if you mix everything, even though i-week bingekho budget uyifake kule budget, awukwazi uzithenga za stove member uyazithenga, la fridge buthe uzayithenga awukwazi uyithenga. I-priorities zakho imangazo edolweni sithandwa, uthi le nyanga ndiyayithenga la fridge, ndiyasibhatala school fees, ndiyathini. Likhona ixesha le-weeks guys, akhona amafleha sinowayenza, khona one way ufake i-week bepha. Know your priorities. Like, know your priorities. Uyayazi la feeling leyana uthenge into ongayibudgetelanga then xa seyiphelile imali uqumba yo ndilibe uthenga i-cooking oil. Ewe kaloku wenze i-wants not i-needs. Uba frustrated, you become depressed, ube loo nto yiyo because i-priorities zakho, you are not disciplined when it comes to them. Zenzele ifavor unyaka usaqala, hlala phansi, strategize izinto zakho. Zixele ba okay kule nyanga ngizokwenza 1, 2 and 3, the next month 4, 5 and 6, and plan early when it comes to izinto zabantwana. If you're a single parent, plan izinto early so that ungazi overwhelm. Zifundise i-basics ezincinci, uzifake elineni, uzidiscipline. Ba uyayibona ba la girls trip izandikhubaza for months ndingabi namali, don't do it. Izofika ixesha layo. Allow pause sometimes, like abupheli. It means uzophinda benazo When the time is right, the Lord will make it happen. Be patient with yourself as well. It's fine, mabaphumelele. It's fine, mabazithenga i-frontals. It's fine. Nelakho ixesha le-frontal izofika. But ungayenzi into yomixa i-priorities zakho ne-needs zakho. The minute your priorities start lacking, uzoba ne-depression. Yoba ngathi uThixo akakuva. Yoba ngathi uThixo akakoyanga. Discipline yourself. Unyaka usaqala.